Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a new file on your computer in Windows 11. So I am on my desktop, then you need to click on the right mouse cursor and here you see an option of new. So here you can see you can create folder shortcuts. So this is the whole list. So I want to create a text file, click here and this is the text file. You can click here and click on this icon to copy and this is the option to rename. So I'm going to add my text file and now you can open that and use that file, and if you want you can copy that file and add into any folder. So this is the process how you can make a new file on your computer in Windows 11. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.